Welcome to the YouTube channel of Eclipse Technosis. In this session, you learn about text box control. So now come on the session. The default the project name is the project one. The default name of the form is the form one. So the form one is display on the screen. Now I will take the label. I will take label one, label two, and the label three. So in this way, I will take the three label from the toolbar: label 1, label 2, and label 3, and then the text box. One text box for the label 1, another text box for the label 2, and then third text box for label 3. So in this way, the three text box appear now on the form. Now I will take the three command button. Command 1, it's the command 2, and it's the command 3. Now three command buttons will appear. I will reduce the size of the form. Now in the label 1, right click on the label 1 property. Then the label 1 property will shown. Under the caption property, I will type the name. Then again I will click on the label 2. Then the caption of label 2 will appear. And here I will type the class CLASS, name class. And for the label 3 caption, the percentage. Now in the text box 1, the text property, text 1, I will delete the text 1, so it will be the blanks inside the text box, text 2, then the text 3. It will blanks now. Now for the command 1, the first command 1, I will click on the command 1, then the caption. Here I will type the click here. So the command 1 caption, the click here, and the second command button of the caption is view, percentage, and the third command button caption I will type the exit. It's completed. Now I will go to the font property. I will select all the label. Shift प्रेस करके first click on the label, then go to the font property. In the font property, you are able to change the formatting of the label, like that: font color, size, bold. I will choose the bold, and the size take the 14. Then the 14 size will appear. The same property will change with label 2. Then similarly, the property will apply for the label 3. It's will completed. Now come on the for command button. Adjust the percentage, the complete name. The command button, the same font prop applied, bold, size. So it will show the click here on the bold. Again the bold percentage. I will adjust the size of the command button, second command button, because caption is not appear properly. View percentage, now it will show. Then third command button's property, bold 14. Okay, exit. Now text box 1. Text box 1 property, bold I will take the 12, text box 2, 12, text box 3, bold 12. Now it's completed. Now if you change the form caption, on the title of the form 1, form 1 will written, so click on the form 1, then the form 1 properties caption, here the form 1, so form 1 I will type the text box control understanding, text box control under text box control concept, understand text box control concepts. So now the text box control will appear on the title bar of the form. In the form property, again the border style property, you also able to make the change the border style. Border style is the sizeable, so I will change it the fixing and save it. The form will save. If you want to change the background color of the form, then you run it, click on the start, it will appear. If you want to change the background color of the property, then the back color, first click on the form, then go to the properties, dash form 1, back color, you are able to choose the back color, so the form back colors will change. Okay. Now need to coding. Run it. Click on the command button. No any action. Now close the parts. Double click on the exit command button. I will type here code and end. Close it. Then the click here command button. MSG box, message box, MSG box within the double quotes. Hello and text 1 dot text 1 dot text, because when you type any name on the name text box, then that name will appear on the box command prompt. That's why in the coding section, in the event procedures within the click here command button, I will type the code MSG box within the double quotes. See here, click here command button, see the command 1 underscore click event shift. Here the MSG box, here the message is hello text 1 dot text, मतलब टेक्स्ट बॉक्स का फील्ड का जो भी एंटर होगा वो यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले करेगा. सो एंड सिंबल फॉर द कंटिन्यूएशन विद द हेलो मैसेज text 1 dot text. Now for the view percentage, double click on the view percentage, again the same MSG box within the double quotes, your percentage is and symbol text 3 dot text, text 3 dot text, because the percentage will enter to the text 3 and the name will enter the text 1. Name text 1 is for the name and text 3 is for the percentage. So when you click on the command button, click here, you got the hello text 1 dot text, that means hello, और text 1 में जो name होगा, जो name enter होगा user side से वो display करेगा. So it's the coding section. Command 1 click, repeat it. Command 1 underscore click में MSG box hello text 1 dot text will return, and in the command 2 click MS your percentage is text 3 dot text will return, and in the command 3 click exit. So here the code is the end. Now close the event procedure code part. Then now you run it. The form interface will run. Now here I will type the name. I will type the name to cross message and the percentage is 75. I will type here click typing will finish to the text box. Now click on the command, click here. So here the separate dialog box will display the message hello Ashok Roshan. Ashok Roshan will return on the text one.text. Okay. View percentage. Your percentage is 75, so it will display on the message box. Okay. Exit, then it will close it. So in this way the text box control will use and to retrieve the data from the text box control. Again I will run it. Then here I will type the message. Kumar Rohan class 8 percentage 68. When you click here, then hello Kumar Rohan, because Kumar Rohan is written on the text box 1. And when you click on the percentage, it will display the percentage on the dialog box. Your percentage is 68. Then okay. And when you click on the exit, it will close it. Understood? In this way, you are able to practice in your computer and understand about box control concepts and to retrieve the data from the text box control. Thank you to all of you.